Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact fastener types on the 2B skirt and assembling tools. You remove visible screws first, use a T25 or T30 driver, and keep screws organized. Once those come out, pry plastic clips gently with a trim tool to avoid breaking the skirt or body paint. Make sure to work from one end toward the seam so tension releases progressively. This prevents sudden snaps. If the skirt is adhesive-backed, loosen edges with a heat gun on low to soften the bond before pulling. Once the obvious fasteners are gone, you move to hidden points: wheel arch liners, underbody splash shields, and rocker panel edges. Remove wheel arch liners for access to internal clips. You may need a short extension socket or trim tool to reach screws behind the liner. If clips are stubborn, apply penetrating lubricant and wait a few minutes. For adhesive beads, reapply heat while supporting the skirt with your free hand, so separation happens evenly rather than tearing the plastic or paint. You finish by fully detaching the skirt. Slide a padded support under it, check for any wiring or sensors, and lift straight off once all fasteners are clear. Once removed, clean remaining adhesive with a dedicated solvent and soft scraper. Make sure to protect painted areas with tape. If a clip or the skirt cracks, stop and repair. Use automotive epoxy or replacement clips and let cures fully. Troubleshooting tip: if the skirt won't budge, more heat plus steady inward pressure at clip locations prevents sudden stress and damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.